In this video, we're going to show you to install the driver's side rear forward inner fender liner on your Hyundai Elantra located behind your rear wheels. Using a 21mm socket, loosen and remove your lug nuts. Now that you have your lug nuts removed, go ahead and remove the wheel and set it aside. With the rear wheel removed, we have access to the forward portion of our rear wheel well liner. Now we're going to use our trim tool here to go ahead and pop off a series of these buttons. We're starting at the lower portion. And what you want to do is get underneath the head of it and then pop it out. That removes the base as well. Sometimes these can be brittle and may break on you, so be prepared that you might have to source some replacement buttons. Now as we move upward, there's some actual plastic nuts here. We can go ahead and unthread these here. There's one there. There's one up above, right about 12 o'clock. Now when doing this job, it's always wise to go ahead and wear safety glasses because you do have road debris kind of falling down on top of you and making a mess. Now on the back portion here, right in front of the rear shock, there's two more plastic buttons here. Let's go ahead and use our trim tool. Go back to this and pop these out. And then right up on top, there's two more side by side. These are plastic buttons here as well. Okay. Now at this point here, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the lower forward portion of this liner and just give this a little wiggle here. Pull that down. And slide the liner out. Now I'm going to go ahead and bring our fender liner up into place. Push this up and into the fender area here. Now the big thing that we have to do here is pretty much line this up with the two studs. We had those two plastic nuts. Those actually pop onto two studs here, so I want to make sure we get those lined up, and everything else will pretty much fall into place. So there's one there, one on the top, perfect. I'm going to go right to the top section where the forward liner meets the rearward liner and install my two plastic buttons right here. Going to go ahead and install the plastic nuts. And then on the back wall here, we have our two plastic buttons here. Install our last three buttons on the lower portion here. Sometimes the trick here is getting the little prongs on that button base to line up with that hole. Once they do, go ahead and push that in and snap in the center. Now the fender liner is installed. You want to go ahead and repeat this process for the passenger side if you need to. If not, just go ahead and install your rear wheel and you're all set. Go ahead and grab your wheel, line up those studs, get the wheel installed. We're going to start all of our lug nuts by hand. Once you have them all started, go ahead and snug them down. Torque down your lug nuts to 85 foot-pounds. You want to go ahead and do this in a crisscross pattern. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.